All right, guys, we're in the last home stretch. You guys tried your last practice problem. We're going to go through it together to make sure that you guys don't have any questions on it, and then you guys are going to start your homework. Okay, so this one looks very similar to the one that we just tried, all right, because we have a variable term and a variable term. So we have a variable on each side. We have to get rid of one of them, and the one that we're going to get rid of happens to be the one on the left side, okay, which creates a little bit of drama with us. It makes us do one extra step, but again, it's really no big deal. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I'm lining everything up. My variable terms are under my variable terms when I'm subtracting. Okay, make sure you're lining things up correctly. All I have left over here is my 45. 45 and an equal sign. Over here I have 7x's, take away 2x's, that gives me 5x's, and then I still have my plus 5. Okay, so again, this looks strange. This doesn't look like standard form. We like things in standard form. It makes it way easier to solve. So I'm going to take this side and I'm going to place it on this side of the equal sign. I'm going to take this side and I'm going to place it on this side of the equal sign. The reason why I can do that is because equals means that both sides are equal. So if both sides are equal, then I can flip-flop them and it doesn't matter. They're both the same, okay? So I've now flip-flopped them. Notice I kept this in the same order, 5x plus 5, 5x plus 5. I did not switch the order around, okay? So I just literally took this expression right here, boom, and popped it over to the left side. I didn't change the order at all. Okay, now we're just solving a regular two-step. We should be getting really, really good at this by now. Remember, the do column, or what's happening to the variable here, multiply by 5 first, because PEMDAS tells us multiplication happens before addition, and then this addition by 5. So to do the opposite, to go backwards, to unravel the equation, the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this plus 5 by subtracting 5 on both sides. The reason why I'm subtracting 5 is because it's a positive 5. If it was a negative 5, I would be adding 5 to both sides. Okay, I lined these up so I could do my subtraction. This obviously cancels. All I have left is my 5x over here. So I'm going to put 5x and my equal sign on my line. All right, 45 take away 5 just gives me 40. All right, and now a simple last step. I have to get rid of this multiply by 5 by doing the opposite, which is dividing by 5. Same thing we did in the other one, okay? But in this case, this is not a positive, or this is not a negative 40, this is a positive 40, so we know our answer is going to be positive. We have two positives in our division sentence. That means our answer is going to be positive, okay? And this one was positive 8. So very similar to the last one, but we ended up with positive 8 instead of negative 8. All right, you guys are going to start your homework now. All right, so in Google Classroom, number 12, homework. Go ahead and get that started. If you have any questions on it, and you're not sure how to do it, go back to these lesson videos where I go over these practice problems. Go back to your notes, see where you did these practice problems, fix any issues you did after you watched the video and you said, oh, I did this wrong. Go back to the problem, fix it, okay? If you have any additional questions after that, let me know. All right, guys, good luck.